Hi! Let's do some book haul! Ito yung pang-fifth na book ng Red Queen series. Meron na ako yung 1 to 4. Then, ito yung pang-5. Then, ito yung isa pa. Connected din siya sa Red Queen series. Parang side story. Not sure, pero parang ganun yata to. Ito yung pang-5. Then, of course, Nicholas Sparks, The Notebook. I'm a Nicholas fan girly. So, ito. People mention. Then, next is, of course, I'm a Little Mermaid fan. Matagal ko na itong hinahanap sa TikTok before. Ito yung Poor Unfortunate Soul. Kwento naman ni Ursula. Then, may nakita ako, Prince of Song and Sea. Kwento naman ni Prince ng The Little Mermaid. Prince Eric. So, the next is, hindi ko sure kung maganda. The Idea of You. May movie na siya. Si Anne Hathaway and si Nicholas ba? I forgot his name. Basta yun. Yung sa Purple Heart, the movie, then si Anne Hathaway. The Idea of You. At ito. Ang mga additional po sa libro kong collection.